Okay, welcome children. So today we will do a quiz session. Okay. So before I proceed with the new chapter, I want to play a quiz. So let's start from the first chapter. Okay, that is Introduction to Networking. First question is, a bridge can filter and forward the data signals towards other machines that are using the same what? Protocol. If a program is not allowed in a computer system as configured beforehand, the dash prevents its entry. Children, see the options. You can pause the video and also you can try to answer the question. Firewall. A dash is simply a system in which two or more computers are connected to each other, which is simply a system, a network. The structure of a computer network consists of multiple dash that control the transmission of data. This one will be nodes. A dash area network or LAN is the simplest form of a computer network. A dash is often a privately owned data network extending to a distance up to 100 km. Man. In and dash network, a switch displays a higher transmission speed than a hub. It will be Ethernet. A dash is a physical device that directs the electrical signals towards other connected systems. Hub. Dash computers infected with malware are often sent to sabotage a website. These are zombie computers. A firewall is a software tool that monitors the network traffic and restricts the access of dash or programs. It restricts what? Unauthorized users. Then 11th question is, the dash is the largest WAN in the world, linking millions of computers together. Internet. The dash is often targeted to gather sensitive data such as your bank account information. Is hacking. A dash, this is the last question. A dash is a separate computer system that contains the information and other resources needed by client server.
That's correct.
So here we ended our quiz. So if you want more quiz on the next chapter, your next chapter is Virus Alert. If you want a quiz on that chapter, do comment in the comment section so that I can post the quiz video with you to you. Okay, till then stay safe and have a nice day. Take care of yourself.